Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Black+Decker microwave that says lock. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have a Black+Decker microwave or you came across one at a hotel or at an Airbnb. How do you actually go and fix it when it says lock, L-O-C? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to fix this, all you've got to do is once it's finished microwaving, you're going to see this button here that says door open. So click on door open, and then that's going to go ahead and unlock the microwave. At which point you could actually go ahead and press the button, and then the microwave door will actually go ahead and open it up. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Black+Decker microwave that says lock. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video. Take care.